Hello, my dear students. So our first period is English language from the Colin books. Today we learn the sounds of animals. What's the sound of the animals? Different animals have a different sounds, isn't it? Different animals have a different sound, okay, like they're not the same, okay, their sounds are not same, they're different from each other, okay, their categories are different, their habits are different, their living method are different, so everything are different from each other. Do you get the point? So animals are different categories. Do you get the point? So their sounds are different as well. Do you know? Yes, very good. So today we learn animal sound, how to animal utter or pronounce our sounds. Okay, like that. The first one, cat. Cat sound what? Meow. How to cat sound? Meow. Meow. How to cat sound? Meow. And how to spell these things? M-E-O-W-S. Mouse. And word the cow sound? Moose. And W-O-S. Moose. And word's the dog sound? Q-U-A-C-K-S. Quacks. Okay. Then what's the horse sound? How to horse sound? Knee. N-E-I-G-H-S. Knees. And what's the dog sound? Birds. Birds. B-A-R-K-S. Birds. Go. Look like that, isn't it? Now I'm called one by one. You can get the answer. Okay, Sriyan, stand up. Say, well, how to cat sound? Meow. Very good. Faizan, how to cow sound? Ahnaf, how to duck sound? Afif, how to horse sound? Afif, nee. Very good. Falak, how to dog sound? Barks. Then Fiona, how to cat sound? Very good. Good job.